So in the dealer participation, we have multiple programs as we look through. Each program comes with its own package, like the package includes your user guides on how do you use our system and what each field means. And you get a reporting package. We have built over the years reporting package working with different clients. And we provide training, audit, as well as ongoing support. So while you can use the reporting that we have in our library, it mostly has the industry that you may have seen somewhere. But if you would like to have your own way of creating the statements with your brand and your representation, you can build your own templates, and that can be for any programs. Can be same to represent your brand or could be different for different programs based on how you'd like that to be presented. And you can create unlimited programs in PCRS, right? But be it retro or reinsurance, you can create any number, but we can also import your existing ones. For example, you have a reinsurance or a retro program been in the business for the last 10 years, we can bring that over. From the day that we have that program in our system, you can see all the historical logs, what happened, and the changes that you have done, and any financial impact. The system has inbuilt functionality that you can pick up and see if you change something that has financial impact. And specific reporting. The dealer-owned warranty company needs some specific reporting, reinsurance needs a different kind of reporting, retro needs different kind of reporting. So the specific reporting to the dealer-owned warranty, we support net operating loss reports. We use the retail rate accounting, and we can use the financial projections. So now when Greg and Brian covered that you may have losses because you're starting at the retail rate, and for a period of time, be it 5 or 7, it's a guess based on the business you have. So with our financial projections, with using our risk management, we can show you the projections with the rate that the business is going on, till how long you'd be able to use that operating loss benefits. And the retail rate accounting, if the retail rate changes, or earning on the retail rate base, cancellation. At the time of cancellation, there might be cases you may update your retail rate to reflect accurate value, and we track all of those changes and report into the statements. For the difference is that if the retail rate accounting is not correct, at some point your session statement or reinsurance and DOWC converge and end up at the same number. But you're using a different accounting methodology for different, but you have to end up at the same number. So that's a very crucial point. We absolutely make sure that you get at the same point. Performance reporting is another module in PCRS, and using the performance reporting, each engine has each program has its a separate engine that operates, looks at the configuration. What do I do with this? You set up 6-person seating fee. And performance reporting using the Power BI as the base exposes all of the pre-calculated values. For example, you have a dealer that has by 10% split is reinsuring to 10 different companies. You have that 10% pre-calculated value already in the Power BI for the business user. So all you have to do is drag and use those to make any key decisions. You even have your trust values, your required reserves. Any value that you see on session statement is available as a data point for you, already calculated for you to do your business analysis. So you don't have to ask PCMI hey, I need this little bit more information. And the financial institutions, integrations, any programs that have trust accounts associated, such as reinsurance or DOWC, you may have to consider the trust account activity for you to see the final ending balance or where you stand at. So we do work with the financial institutions as the opportunity arises. So
we have partner programs. So I guess part of what we're covering this on is I'm always shocked at how I think it's going to be so simple to do automated statements with a minimum amount of work for our administrators, and then all the software we end up writing, right? So the financial institution integration is actually taking custom bank feeds, like we've just finished one with Raymond James, right? And actually download it automatically into the statements. So people aren't scanning PDFs, trying to OCR to PDFs, and what I found now is we're up to almost 200 people, 200 developers and support staff to build this system. But I thought maybe we'd be at 70. So I guess we just want to highlight, if your goal is to do fully automated statements and make it easy, there's a lot of pieces to it.